Hello there, this is Gideon here. Today's episode focuses on how to withdraw your HELB loan money from HELB Wallet to MPESA. I want to show you a simple procedure. For those who applied for HELB either subsequent or first time and their money have been paid to the account, they have received a confirmation message from SurePay, like the one displayed on the screen. First of all, let us go to Google Play Store and download the HELB app. I have provided the link in the description below. Let us wait for some few seconds for the app to download. Boom. Here we go. After downloading, log in with your details. At first it might not accept your details until it blocks the account. Don't worry, I will help you to unlock it. Enter the phone number. It can be either Safaricom or Airtel line. Select your line. For my case it is Safaricom. Then wait for an authentication message sent by HELB. The code will auto-populate itself. Click Validate and then enter your new PIN. After which you will land in a window just like this which tells you to confirm your details and update them. After which we now land in the HELB wallet. Here it will display the money you have been allocated by HELB. 3 options. The withdraw, pay tuition fee, pay the HELB loan. Our option in this case is withdrawal. Click withdraw, then it will prompt you to enter the amount and your MPESA PIN. The money will be sent to your MPESA. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you. Kindly subscribe and share. Leave a comment and we will appreciate your support.